friends, it's time to have fun.
Hey Sari, how are you?
Good?
You want to see something cool?
Yes?
So today we're gonna do a science experiment.
Oh, really?
Yes, and it will involve ghosts, monsters, and fire. So we're gonna use fire today, so I'm gonna help you out with the fire bit, okay?
Okay. So what will we need?
So we'll need the following. We need some tea bags, a marker, some paper, and a lighter. But I'm gonna use the lighter because you're not supposed to play with fire. Understood?
Yes.
Before we start, look, you've lost some teeth. That's in time for Halloween.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, one more thing. Before we start, like and subscribe.
So Sari, what are we gonna do?
We're going to empty the tea bags first.
Okay, let's do it. So Sari, I'm gonna give you some containers because we don't want to waste the tea bags when you open them, okay? So Sari, we've got the empty tea bags here, so what's next?
We're going to draw ghosts and monsters on them.
Okay, let's do it. So what's that? Is that the first monster?
Yes?
That's so cool. It looks scary. And for the second one. Okay, that's so cool. Look. So creepy and funny at the same time. Wow, that's another monster with stitches. That's so cool and creative, Sari.
Here they are.
So Sari, what are we gonna do?
We're going to make them stand up.
Okay, let's do it. So while you're doing it, I just want to let you know that I made some tea. Do you want some tea?
No, thank you.
Okay. We're almost there. Okay, let's do this. So right now I'm gonna light these up, and then as they get smaller, the hot air that they create will carry them upward. You wanna see it?
Of course.
Okay, better stand back. Let's watch. That's so cool, right?
Yes, it's so cool.
Look, they're so light. They're like floating in air.
Yes.
Sorry, that's so cool, right?
Yes! If you want to see more of my cool stuff, like and subscribe. And happy Halloween!